Thanks so much for staying with us this evening for the weather report and forecast. Now, in a look at satellite imagery across the Caribbean, we continue to see stable conditions across the Western Caribbean. We still have cloudy conditions across the Jamaica area. There are also clouds in the southern portion of the Caribbean basin. We do have that strong jet still across the open waters of the basin, still generating those 30-knot winds to the area. However, we do have dry air across most of the Caribbean. So stable conditions and fair skies are across the Greater Antilles and also across the Yucatan from that high pressure dominating the general area. Now the forecast for tonight is for fair skies across the island. Temperatures are dropping to 27 degrees Celsius in Kingston. We expect temperatures in Montego Bay to drop to 26 degrees Celsius. Now in the morning tomorrow, you can expect some shower activity if eastern sections or over the eastern sections of the island, and then in the afternoon much of those showers are expected to spread further towards southern parishes. We do have shower activity across much of the south, temperatures reaching 35 degrees Celsius in Kingston and up to 36 degrees Celsius in Montego Bay. Now there are showers forecast for Kingston as well as for halfway tree in the afternoon tomorrow. Expect showers also if you're in Mandeville, Santa Cruz, Black River, Savannah, Lamar, Negril, Lucy, Montego Bay or Falmouth. There are also showers in the forecast in the morning in St. Anne's Bay, Ocho Rios and Port Antonio, also in Port Maria, and then in the afternoon you can expect some shower activity if you're in Golden Spring, Bog Walk, Moco, Christiana, also across the Duncans and K Valley. Now for the next few days there are showers and isolated thunderstorms expected across the area on Thursday. Much of this is across central and western parishes on Friday and across eastern and central parishes on Saturday. For the marine forecast, the winds on the north are now easterly at 15 to 20 knots as wave heights are between 1.5 and 2 meters. And then on the south coast tomorrow, the winds are expected to be from the east-southeast at 15 to 20 knots with wave heights between 1.5 and 2 meters. We've lifted the warning for offshore areas tomorrow. The winds are averaging about 20 knots, wave heights are averaging 2 meters. And for the outlook, the winds are expected to drop again on Wednesday from the east-northeast at 10 to 15 knots, but on Thursday, that's on Thursday and Friday, you can expect conditions to pick up from the east at 15 to 20 and then up to 25 knots on Friday. Sunset in Kingston tomorrow 6:44. Sunset at Negril Point is 6:50. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening, but we thank you so much for watching.